Hey, so I get tons of compliments on the clarity of my picture when I'm on Zoom calls. And I want to show you guys exactly how to achieve that because you probably have an old point and shoot camera laying around that you barely use. Truthfully, I found one in my closet that I bought for a vacation years ago and I barely used it. Well, I figured out how to hook it up to my computer and use it as a webcam. Because if you compare the quality of this camera to this, you see a huge difference. And I'm going to switch back to my other camera. So you see the difference is like day and night, same lighting, different camera. I'm going to show you how I did it now. I'm going to go behind the scenes so you can see my setup. It's not complicated. I got this camera on Amazon. I got the whole kit with different lenses and stuff for under $500. And this was like 3 years ago. So you can probably find the equivalent type of camera, or you might already have one just sitting around in your closet. And all you need to do is go to the manufacturer's website and look up the brand name of your camera and say use as a webcam. And a lot of these manufacturers have released drivers and updates because in 2020, with so many people going virtual, lots of people wanted to enhance their appearance on Zoom. And you can do that with modern day DSLR cameras. Even the older DSLR cameras are going to be better than the built-in webcam in your computer. So I use a Canon EOS Rebel T6. This is a few years old, so there are definitely newer models out, but you can get this for under $400 or $500. And I just used this ring light that I got on Amazon. I think it was $20 or less. And I just hook up the camera to my computer with a USB cable. And then you have to download certain drivers to activate your camera and use it as your webcam.